guys here back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1970 to 72 Chevelle El Camino and Monte Carlo dash pads by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. When it's time to replace your faded, cracked, or damaged dash pad, Original Parts Group has you covered. Every detail is important, and that's why we have our reproduction of these models down to a T. These are proudly made in the USA and are authentically reproduced, featuring a solid urethane molded core for rigidity and to provide all the correct contours. They're available with stereo and mono speaker options. In the final stages of production, our dash pads are wrapped with the factory Madrid-style grain vinyl, just like the originals. All factory colors are available and follow the same GM specifications with the correct color dyes. Mounting hardware is included for a smooth installation. The result is the highest quality reproduction dash pad on the market. We feature this dash pad on our 1970 Chevelle SS, our 1972 El Camino SS, and our 1972 Chevelle SS convertible that won the GM Best Restored Vehicle of the Year award at SEMA back in 2011. 8 years later, in several car shows with the top down, and our pad doesn't show any signs of wear or fading. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.